Every morning you wake up, I want you to say this one powerful prayer, no matter what religion you follow. I learned this from Louis Hay, who's a world-famous speaker and the best-selling author of the book, You Can Heal Your Life. Please make sure to save this so that you can use it as a reminder. As soon as you wake up, close your eyes and say this all is well. Everything is working out for my highest good, and out of each experience I go through, only good will come to me. I am safe, I'm protected, and I'm loved. This prayer works like magic because even before you start your day, you're priming your subconscious mind to look for the good in everything that is about to happen in your day. This helps you completely shift your perspective and have an optimistic approach towards life. Most of us, in fact, all of us know what we want in life, but most people give up when they face challenges in life. But I believe every challenge in our life is a blessing and an opportunity because that is what pushes us forward. So start your day with this powerful mantra and type ready if you're going to make this a part of your morning routine.
All right, y'all. I'm excited to try these. They smell so good. Oh my God. I'm just going to take it out of the tray. So if you can see, I have half of them because I wasn't about to eat all those. And the way my family be working, they don't eat what I eat sometimes. And this is definitely something just because of the name of it, they probably would eat it. So I'm just going to, these come out pretty easy too. The filling comes out too, so be careful. But let me just go ahead and take a bite. Ooh, it came out of this one. Let me go ahead and take a bite so we can just, and it just came out the oven, so hopefully it's not too hot, but they smell really good. All right, here we go. Wait a minute. Not that being delicious. It reminds me of Panera Bread's little breakfast little. It reminds me of Panera Bread's little. Gosh, what is that thing called? Not a souffle. Anyways, they have little breakfast little things where it comes. You can get like spinach, egg, and cheese, or bacon, something. But anyways, that's what this reminds me of. It's so good. Creamy, flavorful, and crunchy. And so, day one of 75 soft. So I decided that today's the day. I just woke up this morning and I said, well, actually I went to bed last night looking at some inspiration, and I decided, you know what? Today is the day that I'm gonna just accept my truth that this is out of control. Now I am a little bloated, but it has to go. Summer is right around the corner, so 75 days from today would be March. So I'm gonna do 75 hard. I'm at 75 soft. So if you don't know what that is, I will link something somewhere or put something somewhere so that you can go and do your research, or just Google it, it'll come up. So anyways, I'm gonna do another outfit. So this is just like my very fitted workout outfit. Earlier this year, or earlier 2024, I was able to wear this outfit and it didn't look like this. I was not hanging over, the thighs was not thighing. Yeah. So I intentionally wore this because if I don't lose weight, it's gonna keep looking like this. So I want probably, so the day is Tuesday, so probably every Tuesday, I'll just keep it every 7 days. So every Tuesday I'll come and do a video and an update on where I am and my stats. So here are my stats of where I'm starting as of today, day one. So I have to read another 3 pages which I'm excited to do, to pick back up my book before I let go. And then also exercise for another 20 minutes. So I'm about to do that now, and then day one is off. Now, I did not drink the required amount of water today because I decided that today was going to be the day, kind of later in the day. So I did drink 40 plus ounces. So I almost did that. So I'm not going to not start today because I didn't, which I mean it's one day, but anyways, so we're going to try and get another half a container of water, and yeah, I started my fast at 6:30, so yeah. All right, so that's it. So this is day one of 75. I'm happy today, but give me not be bad tomorrow. To be like first snowman of the year. It's cold and warm out here, which is so weird. The sun keep coming out and going back in, but we're gonna try and build a snowman. So we're gonna put it on the time lapse, and yeah, let's see how we do. About to go spend the day just self-care type stuff. I think I want to go out to eat and do a little window shopping. I'm gonna go to Restoration Hardware just to see if anything catches my eye. And so I'm about to do my makeup with that, and then we're gonna head out and spend some time just lollygagging.
In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. Do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. everybody else will just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just talk like that. Yeah, baby, we just talk like that.
Y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barman, I'm Rambo with the old. I'm Billy Rick like John Jay, I'm Camo with the old. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was no baby mom. Want me to come around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn. I wake up looking this good tonight. And I wouldn't change it if I could. If I could. And you can say what you want, I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Yeah, look so good tonight. Goddamn, say yeah, look so good tonight. Wake up, post up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say it's so good tonight. What I think about you, boy.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. Your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
Best I ever had.
over there. Shout it, I be over there. I be hitting.
Thank you.
And all the spots that you ain't even know was there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last.
This looks so good. Across this black owned boutique and I wanted to basically I came across this black owned boutique and I wanted to support. I didn't really see anything that I particularly needed, but I absolutely wanted to support. So it was between this, and I didn't want to spend too much money because I didn't need anything. But the boutique is called Sis Boutique, I think. Sisters Boutique. And look at the bag. Now, the only thing is they sell hats, but they don't have bags big enough for the hats. Don't know what that was about, but I could tell she felt a little uncomfortable. But I'm like, they have so many different types of hats in there. I mean, I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can remember like at least 6 different or 7 different types of hats that this size, like with brims on them, and they either did not think this hat was worthy of a hat box or just don't carry bags in hat size. So I think that that's something that they either probably, obviously they're aware of. Maybe they were out of the bags, I don't know. But anyways, the boutique was very cute. They had really unique pieces. A few pieces that I would definitely see myself going back to get. So I probably will stop back by at least to see what they have. Move. So this is the hat that I decided to get because the outfit, I got so many outfits that I haven't worn in pieces because of TikTok shop. I just didn't want to get any more clothes. And although I don't need a hat, I just thought this was so cute. I love hats. I have plenty hats in my collection, but I don't believe I have one in this color. So I thought this would be so nice to add on. So let's try it on. Don't mind my hair. It's been down under a cap all day. Let's see. Oh, she cute. She cute. She is cute, honey. Look at her. Let me show y'all today. Can y'all see it over there around here? She cute. Oh gosh, this is so cute. So shouts out to Sisters Boutique in Stony Point Fashion Mall, Richmond, Virginia. If you are in the area, of course, hit them up. They have so many unique pieces, just very stylish, grown woman, elevated grown woman type of vibe in there. Okay, I chose to eat at PF Chang, and although I wanted to be seated at a table, they didn't have any open seating. It was reservation only, and I was okay with that. I didn't want to really, I didn't have, like, my friend always says she is always nervous to eat alone or dine alone or whatever, and definitely at a bar. Now I've done it a few times, so that's probably like my 3rd or 4th time sitting at a bar to eat by myself. And it's not that I'm nervous or, you know, or I feel a type of way as far as sitting alone. It's just that I don't want to be bothered. So I found a little spot at the end, and the waiter was like, found the perfect spot, huh? And I was like, yes, I did. But yeah, I got a table. There were some other people sitting at the bar, and by the time I left, it was actually full. And you know, I enjoyed my time. Like, I watched some stuff on my phone. You know, I people watched a little bit. And yeah, I got some content. So today was a really good day. The food, I will give it a 7 out of 10. I asked for brown rice, but they brought out white rice, but I didn't mention it because I was kind of between brown or white, so it was fine. I got I forgot what it's called. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen, but it's a fish that it's fish, and they only have it on the weekends because it's a wild caught fish. I'm not saying that I didn't like it. I just wanted something else. Like, I wanted something super savory, like oniony and or more flavor. Now, mind you, it did have flavor, and it was like a ginger type of flavor, but I wasn't expecting it. I even asked the waiter if it had like if the sauce was kind of sweet. He said yes, but it wasn't. So when he said yes, I'm thinking it's gonna be like a teriyaki marinade type, but it wasn't. It was just like a juicy sauce at the bottom, and I think more of that was from the spinach that was under. So it was a healthy meal, just not what I wanted. I wanted something that did not feel healthy but still fit fish or healthy, you know. But so I'll give it a 7 out of 10. The spring rolls I got were probably also a 7 out of 10. I feel like I had those before, I just don't remember. But either way, they were good. I've had better. Maybe I'll give them an 8 out of 10. They were fresh, they were hot, so I don't know. I don't know. The apple martini though, it was good, and I felt like it gave me a little buzz. So yep. And okay, it's all good. So I'm about to slightly undress. I'm gonna take this off and then put on something more comfortable so that I can go get Gabby in about 2 hours. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Yeah, I was thinking about maybe adding something else, but it's all good. We're gonna end it right here. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. If you haven't watched my other ones, go ahead and finish out this one, hit like, subscribe, and notifications, all of that good stuff, and then go ahead and watch a few other ones because I feel like they're pretty good. Like, I don't know, I feel like I worked pretty hard on getting it. It might be a little late, but I think they're cute. At least watch half of it, okay, and like it and subscribe. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ooh, I can't wait to wear this hat to a beat. And I ain't wearing something. Y'all say, girl, bye, you gonna wear something else now. But I'm feeling really, I'm feeling real, Cowboy Carter-ish, you know. Bye.
I threw the money on it to the price up like I designed it. Hit for the president, on a bitch, let's get a nigga Minaj. That little IG bitch ain't shit for the in the car. Fuck round to the side piece, pop out the night and double up. Talking Chinese, but my these sticks in the car.
It's your one and your Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat where it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. The jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'ma need it.
portion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God up. Make them they talk up. I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, libido. Lego sing a sala when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see waiting you do. See when we go get a wild like to lesu. Got to one he console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God up. Make them they talk up. I saw they flying like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 When you go in, mommy. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer.
work.